girl Kia.
It's a girl Krista.
It's a girl Katisha.
And it's your girl Naya.
And today we're back with another
Video.
Today, as you guys could tell by the title, we'll be making brownies.
So me and my sister, we're gonna do challenges. Me
No,
versus
team.
Yeah, we're doing team.
Me versus Naya.
No.
Our team. Hold on, we'll be back. We'll think of a team name.
Few moments later.
We're back. Our name is gonna be with the Beauties, Stella and Kia.
Ours is the Unique Gang.
The who?
The Unique Gang.
Okay. So y'all comment down below which team you think are going to make their brownie better. But before we get into this video, make sure you guys
Like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that little bell.
Without further ado, let's get into the video. The main ingredients you guys will need is a bowl.
The powder.
The brownie mix.
The
You're
brownie
gonna
mix.
need canned milk.
You're gonna need
Vegetable oil.
You're
You're gonna need some measuring cups,
and knife.
some spoons,
And napkins, just in case if things get messy.
some napkins. You're gonna
and
set
like
knife,
3 eggs.
some pan,
And egg.
and last but not least, eggs. So without further ado, let's get this thing
Started.
Okay, so yeah, we're just doing competition. So we just, whoever want to talk while doing this competition, they talk and stuff like that. But before you talk, you say, I'm talking, so they don't get confused. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to set a timer for 10 minutes to see who
hold on.
can finish their batter first. So let's get this thing. And no cheating, because if you cheat, I will catch you. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Set a time, it's 10 minutes. And the timer will be at the top up here, at the corner up here, right
my
there.
head.
So let's get started.
3,
2,
1.
1, go. Okay.
Well, hallelujah, ours are perfectly good.
So we're gonna stick it under the oven for about how many minutes? 23 minutes.
So I said time.
Set timer to 23 minutes. So this is the result of our
This is
brownie.
the result of our brownies.
The unique gang brownies.
So now we're going to slice them up.
Yeah,
It smells very good.
exactly. It smells very chocolatey. Way more moist than ours, but it's like soft. Ours is like crunchy a tiny bit.
My hand.
But I accept theirs. Y'all did a good job.
You guys did a good job too.
But the winner is drum roll please. No, guys, comment.
Wait. Let's let the real judges.
Comment down below who you think won this
Yeah.
challenge. Thank you guys for watching.
For awesome videos, please subscribe, comment, and hit that little bell.
For our post notifications.
And stay tuned for the next video.